Imagine a world where you could manifest anything your heart desires. A life filled with abundant success, harmonious relationships, and vibrant health. What if I told you that there is a simple technique that can help you attract and manifest your deepest desires? Welcome to a transformative journey into the law of attraction. Life can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. We find ourselves struggling to make ends meet, yearning for that dream job, battling health issues, or longing for love and connection. It seems as if our desires are locked away behind an impenetrable barrier. But what if I told you that there is a key, a single word that can unlock the doors to your dreams? Join us as we explore the profound wisdom of Joseph Murphy and his groundbreaking revelations on the law of attraction. Get ready to witness the extraordinary power behind a single word as we unravel the secrets to manifesting anything you want. But before we dive in, we kindly ask you to support our mission by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll be part of a thriving community that explores the limitless possibilities of the law of attraction. Let's begin. Friends, in the pursuit of material abundance, it is crucial to realize that our perspective on money plays a significant role in manifesting wealth. According to renowned author and spiritual teacher Joseph Murphy, the key word that can transform our relationship with money is God. This word holds immense power as it guides us to view wealth through a spiritual lens, leading to a profound shift in our mindset and approach. In this video, we delve into the insights shared by Joseph Murphy on how incorporating the concept of God can revolutionize our understanding of wealth. Joseph Murphy emphasizes that wealth should not merely be confined to monetary possessions or material accumulations. Instead, he encourages individuals to understand wealth as a reflection of our spiritual connection with the divine. By referring to wealth as God, Murphy elucidates that true abundance encompasses aspects such as health, happiness, love, peace of mind, and overall well-being. When we adopt this expansive perspective on wealth, we open ourselves up to experiencing a holistic and fulfilling form of abundance. According to Murphy, understanding the concept of God in relation to wealth aligns us with the universal laws of prosperity and abundance. By accepting that God is the source of all wealth, we acknowledge that we are co-creators with the divine and can tap into the unlimited abundance of the universe. This alignment enables us to let go of limiting beliefs and fears surrounding money, recognizing that we deserve prosperity and can attract it by aligning our thoughts, actions, and intentions with the divine flow. Overcoming limiting beliefs about money is indeed crucial for achieving success in the realm of personal finance. These beliefs are often deeply rooted in our subconscious minds and can act as roadblocks on our path to financial abundance. By identifying and challenging these limiting beliefs, individuals can transform their mindset and open themselves up to new opportunities for wealth creation and financial success. One way to overcome limiting beliefs about money is by recognizing that money is not inherently good or bad. It is merely a tool that can be used for various purposes, including providing for our needs, supporting our loved ones, and making a positive impact in the world. By reframing our perspective on money, we can detach any negative associations and embrace the idea that money is a neutral energy source that can be utilized for our benefit. Many philosophical and spiritual teachings view money as an energy source tied to the infinite abundance of the universe. According to these teachings, the universe is abundant, and there is enough wealth and prosperity for everyone. By aligning our thoughts and actions with this belief, we can attract financial abundance into our lives. This involves shifting our focus from scarcity and lack to abundance and gratitude. By cultivating a mindset of abundance, we can attract more opportunities for financial growth and success. Invoking God in financial affirmations is also encouraged by some individuals and communities. This practice stems from the belief that a higher power or a divine force can guide and support us in our financial pursuits. By acknowledging this higher presence and seeking its assistance, we can tap into a source of wisdom and guidance that goes beyond our own limited understanding. This can provide a sense of comfort and assurance, particularly during times of financial uncertainty. When invoking God in financial affirmations, individuals may express their desires, goals, and gratitude for the financial blessings they have received or are about to receive. It's about aligning one's financial aspirations with their spiritual beliefs and seeking divine assistance in accomplishing those goals. However, it's worth noting that this practice may vary across different religious and spiritual traditions, and individuals should follow the practices and rituals that resonate with their personal beliefs. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You've just taken a step towards unlocking the power of manifestation. But before we part ways, there are a few more important things I want to share with you. One crucial aspect of manifestation is letting go of the need to control every little detail. We often find ourselves trying to micromanage every aspect of our lives, only to be left feeling exhausted and frustrated. But what if I told you that involving a higher power in your manifestation journey could bring you incredible results? By embracing the qualities of God, Spirit, and infinite energy, you open the door to constant expansion. It's about recognizing that there is a force greater than ourselves, ready to support us on our path. When we surrender our need to control, we allow space for miracles and unexpected opportunities to come our way. As we wrap up this video, I want to take a moment to express gratitude for your current financial circumstances and the opportunities that lie ahead. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. By acknowledging and appreciating what we already have, we create a positive energy that attracts even more abundance into our lives. Before we part ways, I want to leave you with a few final reminders. If you found value in this video and want to continue the journey of manifestation with us, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Your support means the world to us. We also invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We love hearing your stories and learning from your journey. It's a space for community, growth, and inspiration. And as we conclude, may you be blessed abundantly in your manifestation journey. May you find the courage to release control and embrace the infinite possibilities that await you. Remember, you hold the power to create a life of abundance and fulfillment. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting. Keep believing in your dreams, for they are within reach. You are capable of achieving greatness, and we can't wait to witness your success.